Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about tenses. There are three tenses mainly. They are divided into present tense, past tense, future tense, and these three are again divided into four types: simple present, present continuous, present perfect. Present perfect continuous are the forms of present tense, and also past simple, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous are the forms of past tense. Future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous are the forms of future tense. So let's see only simple present tense and present continuous tense today, as these are very long. And also we are going to learn detailed on them. So let's start. Simple present tense is the first form of present tense. So it is in the form of subject plus V1 plus yes, es or ies in positive form. In negative form, subject plus does or do not plus V1. Question form, does or do plus subject plus V1. So let's see them in a clear manner. In positive form, it takes subject. He, she, it, I, you, we, you, they are the subjects. It take any of the subject. Suppose let's take example I plus V1. Like, I like, and yes, es or ies. Here we doesn't need anything because we are taking I as subject. It's first person, so we can write it as I like it. It is in a positive form. And in negative form, subject plus do or does plus not plus V1. He plus does not plus start. He does not start. Or we can say that she does not like it are the examples of negative form. In question form, we used to take do or does plus subject plus V1. Suppose let's take does. It is used for third person. Does plus he, she or it. Let us take does he plus like plus it. Does he likes it? So we no need to use s, es or ies. So let us take does he like it. Only like. We should not use yes, es, ies in negative form and question form. We only use it in positive form. So this is the forms of present tense, and let's see how we use. We use it for newspaper headlines and when telling stories, etc. And now let's see present continuous tense. In continuous tense, we always use V4, fourth verb, or V1 plus ing form. It is simply called as V4 or V1 plus ing form. So coming to the continuous tense, we use S plus am, is, are plus V1 plus ing form. In positive form, we use subject plus am, is, are plus V1 plus ing form. Subject, let us take it as he plus is, play plus ing. He is playing. Next, let's take for negative s or subject plus am, is, are plus not plus V1 plus ing. He is not playing. So a simple difference that we use not in the negative form, and we doesn't use anything like not or something in positive form. Now let's see question make sentence. Am, is, are. So here these verbs will come first. Am or is or are will come first, and then subject will be added plus verb plus ing form. So let's take is he playing. Is he playing? It will become into question. It is used to say the words which we are saying right now. So it is called as continuous tense. And guys, if you like my video about tenses, only present simple and present continuous tense, please like my video and wait for my next video about present perfect and perfect continuous. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe. As my subscriber wish, today I made video on tenses. Thank you.